Okay, students, now the compound angles of hyperbolic functions, they are very similar to compound angles of trigonometric functions. Okay, here the first one, sin h of x plus y, sin h of x plus y is equal to sin hx into cos hy plus cos hx into sin hy. It is similar to sin a plus b form in trigonometry. Here it is plus, here also it is plus, here it is minus, here also it is minus, here it is plus, minus. Very easy to remember, very easy to remember. Here it is plus, here also plus, here it is minus, here also both are minus, here plus, minus. Okay, student, very easy to remember. You have to learn these formulas. Without these formulas you can't solve single problem. Okay, you have to learn these formulas. And one more thing, we already learned trigonometric identities in trigonometry. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. In the similar way, we have three identities in hyperbolic functions also. They are here. First one, cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1, secant h square x plus tan h square x is equal to 1, cot h square x minus cosecant h square is equal to 1. These are three identities of hyperbolic functions. There is some minor changes in trigonometry and hyperbolic identities. There is a minor changes. Need to remember these three. Okay. The proof of this first identity is here. The cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1. We know that cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Here square, so that square, minus sin hx value is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Here it is square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is e power x, b is e power minus x. E power x into e power minus x is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Denominator is 2 square is 4. Here also it is a minus b whole square form. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A is e power x, b is e power minus x. E power x into e power minus x is 1 by 4. LCM is 4, and if I multiply with minus here, these two terms will get cancelled, these four terms will get cancelled. I have 4 remaining in denominator, 4 remaining in numerator. Both numerator and denominator get cancelled and we will get 1. Therefore, cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1. In the similar way, you can prove these two also. Secant h square x value, already we know that secant h square x is 2 e power x plus e power minus x, and tan h square x is also, we know that if you substitute the two values in these two, you will get 1. Like this, you have to solve these two. This is the homework, you have to solve this. Okay, students, now
click ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
Okay, students, now the first formula, sin h2x is equal to 2 sin hx into cos hx. Sin h2x formula in terms of tan is 2 tan hx by 1 minus tan h square x, and cos h2x, there is a 4 formulas for cos h2x. Similarly, in trigonometric also there is a 4 formulas for cos 2 theta, same as it is, but there is a minor changes here. First one, cos h square x plus sin h square x, and second one is 2 cos h square x minus 1. Next, third one is 1 plus 2 sin square x, and the law in terms of tan is 1 plus tan h square x by 1 minus tan h square x, and tan h2x is 2 tan hx by 1 plus tan h square x, and cot h2x is cot h square x plus 1 by 2 cot hx. Now there is a inverse hyperbolic functions. There is the inverse trigonometric functions also. In the similar manner, there is the inverse hyperbolic functions also. These are the inverse hyperbolic functions. First one is sin h inverse of x is equal to log x plus root x square plus 1 to the base e in terms of logarithms. Hyperbolic functions, inverse hyperbolic functions in terms of logarithms is sin h inverse x is equal to log x plus root x square plus 1 to the base e, and cos h inverse x is equal to log x plus root x square minus 1 to the base e, and the last one tan h inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 log 1 plus x by 1 minus x to the base e. Now we will prove this one. Okay, now we will prove this one. Third one.